Otto! Yellow me switch up! Behind you! No!
Oh no, I knocked one guy, but that was it. That's all I could do.
Bad.
Spencer, was it always you?
No, man, I was walking around and pew 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 pew.
This game is so much better than Rainbow Six.
Ooh, he's trying to pick a fight.
What?
Can you hear me in game?
No.
Oh.
No high schools have esports.
Ah!
Some.
Yeah, some, but not all. But like,
Jump.
Rise. It's pretty cool, guys. We missed it by 1 year.
What?
Wait, John Champ does?
No.
No, we didn't miss it, did we now?
What happened?
Spencer, you're never gonna get to play Octane. You had your one chance and you missed it.
Actually, what happened?
High schools are not all, but like some high schools are starting to form esports teams now.
What's the...
Spencer,
What?
could have started a CSGO team.
I'm ready
Yes.
for
Yo, imagine the esports teams on the what do you call it, pep rally.
He's so cringe. God, no. No. God, I'd probably end myself.
Yeah, I would not go on that. I would not do the walkout.
Get out to my room. I'm the jump master.
Artillery or bunker, choose one, quick! Artillery or bunker.
Looks fun over there.
I will come straight down.
Moving up.
Don't ask for it.
They're far.
Man, this is bad, dude. He's super fat.
I'm going this way.
Oh yeah, we're done. We're done. There's way too many. GG boys, just try my best.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Give me a weapon for
Oh no.
a weapon.
I'm on my
A weapon
way.
for your troubles. Oh, Clash lag. This is great. This is
Oh,
great.
it's so...
Oh,
Bro, it's slow-mo!
yes, this is great. Woo! This is the Fortnite experience I deserve. Dude, I can't even slide. That's how slow I'm ready. No!
Bro, he's in front of me.
Dude, I can't do this. I'm gonna walk over there real quick. Oh, get out, fight. Really slow.
Bro, I'm not gonna miss a single shot.
Dude, I think someone's hacking. Grade 8 bull.
Bro, Spencer!
I'm coming!
The voice crack. We all heard it.
Shut up.
No. Cause you don't.
Shut up.
Alright, dude.
Oh, brother. That was some real lag switching, huh? If I die, watch me to go like this.
Spencer, you should have seen my aim. It was nuts. Didn't miss a single shot.
I was like, they were moving in slow motion. It was so... Dude, come down and punch this guy to death and we'll finish him.
Yeah.
Punch him, punch him.
No way did that just work.
Oh my god.
Yo, give us some heals, bro.
Spencer, can you drop your gun and pick it up, please? Yeah, please.
Why is
Please.
Let me heal.
My ears!
Let's go.
Spencer!
I thought you were trying to trick me.
not right?
I thought you were trying to bunk my gun. I did it. You still hear it?
No.
We should have kept it.